In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check Shopify is integrated with Klaviyo. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard in your browser. Once you are logged in, look down the left sidebar and click on the Integrations tab near the bottom. This is where Klaviyo lists the tools and platforms that are connected to your account, including e-commerce platforms like Shopify. On the Integrations page, scan your list of active integrations and locate the Shopify card. This card is the quickest status check. You want to see a green enabled badge on the Shopify card. That green label is an immediate signal that the integration is turned on and should be working. Next, click directly on the Shopify card to open its settings. When the settings page loads, look at the very top for a green banner that says, "Your data is syncing." This message confirms that Klaviyo is actively receiving information from Shopify, like customer activity and order events. If you see that syncing banner, it is a strong sign the connection is healthy. Now let us double-check that recent data is actually coming in. Go back to the left sidebar in Klaviyo, click Analytics, and then select Metrics from the dropdown. This section shows the events Klaviyo is tracking, and it is a reliable way to confirm the Shopify feed is current. Once you are on the Metrics page, go to the search box in the top right area and filter by typing Shopify. You should now see Shopify-related metrics. Find a key metric like placed order, and look at the latest activity column. You are verifying that there is a recent timestamp, ideally from today, which indicates Klaviyo is receiving fresh events from your store. Finally, do a quick live test. Open your live Shopify website in a new tab. Refresh the page to generate a new visit, then switch back to Klaviyo. In your Shopify metrics list, check the active on-site metric. You should see your recent visit recorded shortly after the refresh, which confirms real-time site activity is being captured. That covers everything you need to know.